Hello and welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginner to core advanced. In this tutorial we are going to talk about running a DC motor with the help of an Arduino board and a driver. We cannot run a DC motor directly with the Arduino because a DC motor draws a large amount of current, and this current can easily fry the Arduino board even in your computer or laptop. So be careful while connecting the DC motor to the Arduino, because there should be no direct connection or there should be no leakage voltage in the board. So there should be no leakage voltage or current in the board which can directly flow to the computer or the Arduino, because it can really burn it severely and cause you a lot of damage. Okay, so protecting the Arduino from the motor and having a good control of the motor, we need to connect it to a driver. A driver is a specifically designed machine which is used to perform the function of controlling a motor by the help of small digital signals that are provided by the Arduino, and by amplifying the signal with a built-in voltage source. Here we are connecting it to here we are connecting it to a 12 volt source, so that the driver can amplify the signal. And for the control signal we are connecting it with Arduino, and the output of amplified signal and control signal is going to the motor. For that we can select the direction of the motion, as well as we can perform the speed variation of the motor. I have selected the analog pin for motion control and set it to very low, so that we can have a clear vision of the motor running. Okay, let me tell you about the diagram. Here it is the Arduino. It is coming out with three pins. It is coming out in the form of 3 pins. First pin is the analog pin, which is used to control the speed of the Arduino. Second and third pin are the digital pins, which are connected to digital pin 4 and 3 in Arduino, and are connected to the next two pins on the driver. The first two brackets are connected to a 12 volt, and the motor is connected to the output terminal. We can change the direction of the motor as we require by changing the pin number value from high to low. We cannot keep both the pin high or both the pin low, because it will create a zero potential difference between them, causing the motor to not rotate in any of the direction. For moving a motor, we can set one value high and another low to move in one direction, and we can change it as one more value low and another high to move it in another direction. Okay, let's just do a practical. Open Arduino, open a new sketch, and write here. First of all, we have to declare the pin. Write pin mode. Let's say pin number 3, comma output. We have done pin number 3 as output. Now again pin mode. MODE. Pin mode, say pin number 4 as output, because I have connected it to that pin. If you have connected it to another pins, please be careful while writing the pin numbers. Okay. Now come to void loop. Write a simple program. Say digital, write pin number 3, comma HIGH, and we have to set pin number 4 as low. Okay, write in next line DIGITALWRITE, digital, write pin number 4, comma LOW. Okay, just check the program. Pin mode 3 and 4 are declared as output. The board is connected to pin number 3 and 4. Digital, write pin 3 high, pin 4 low, and the motor is here. Wiring is going correctly in the. Please check the wiring, because it can severely damage the microcontroller if a wrong wiring is done at high voltages. Okay, let's just compile it. We are compiling it. Okay, just cancel it. Come here. It's compiling. Just wait a second. Okay, there are no compilation errors. Go to upload and upload the board values. Okay, the board is uploaded, and you can see the motor is rotating in one direction. If you want to change the direction of motion, please go here. Say the pin number 3 as LO. We are doing an experiment. Both pin number 3 and 4 are set as low. Now check it. Can the motor rotate on both low? Well, you can see that the motor has stopped working. Now say this low and 4 number pin as high, HIGH. Again upload it to the board. Now you can see that the motor is rotating in another direction. Well, this is the motor for this is the method for controlling the direction of motor. But if you want to see it on the screen, let's just write a simple program. First of all, I have to stop the motor. For that, it will not create any disturbance in our programming. I had stopped the motor. Now if you want to see the direction of the motor, it is good for us to get a clear view by using it in creating the direction in serial monitor. Write serial dot begin, serial dot begin, write 9600 for the baud rate. We have given it 9600. For that function, make a simple statement. You can say that this is another form of if statement. Okay, let's just do it. It is taking a second. Wait, stop. Okay, come back to programming. Right here, clockwise serial serial dot println for the next line. Okay, write it clockwise. Okay, we have done that. Set one pin to high. I am setting pin number 3. Now upload it to the board. Cancel it. I am cancelling it. You can save it as you want. Now see the direction of the motor. I think that's clockwise. Set it. It's going clockwise. But what if we want to rotate it for 10 seconds clockwise and 10 seconds anti-clockwise? Well, there is a method for it. First of all, let me stop the motor. I will show you the method. I am stopping the motor. It is taking some time. Okay, and it stops. There is a very simple method to rotate the motor in both the direction. Just come here. If you want to rotate the motor in one direction for 10 seconds, write the program delay, let's say 10 seconds. Okay, stop it. Now come here, write digital digital write pin number 3 as LOW, comma digital write WRITE my mistake, digital write 4 comma HIGH high. Come here, you can say that this is high for that moment for 10 seconds, and it will be rotating in another direction for another 10 seconds. serial dot println, you can say it counter clockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. Terminate the line and write delay of 10 seconds. Let's say 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 values. Okay. Now I'm keeping the motor for your understanding. Uploading the program, and let's save it. DC motor and say running. Okay, saving the program. You can download all the programs at the starting of the module. In there you can get the program. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, let's just open the serial monitor. Let me open it once again. Now you can see clockwise for next 10 seconds. It's running continuously. Just wait for the second to come, and you can see that it's rotating in another direction. Well, by this method you can control the motor in both the direction, and you can get the value of clockwise and counterclockwise by changing the polarity. You can say that it's changed once again. Okay, well, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please ask me, and if you have any doubts, please ask me, and thanks for watching.